Question number 2. A person stands at a window on the 9th floor of an office building. He measures the angle of elevation to be 25 degrees and the angle of depression to be 36 degrees of the top and the base of a tower. The person knows that he made the measurements 40 meters above the ground. Determine the height of the tower to the nearest tenth of a meter. Determine how far the building is from the tower. So the tower, the building, the ground. Angle of elevation 25 degrees, horizontal eye level. Person at window. 40 meters above ground. Angle of depression 36 degrees. Lower portion is equals to 40 meters. Upper portion. Total tower height. Angle of depression of 36 degrees forms a triangle looking down to the base. Tangent of 36 degrees is equals to 40 over distance, where D is distance to the tower. Distance is equals to 40 over tangent of 36 degrees is equals to 55.1 meter distance from building. Angle of elevation of 25 degrees forms a triangle looking up to the top. Let this height be hypotenuse. Tangent of 25 degrees equals to hypotenuse over 55.1. Hypotenuse equals to 55.1. Tangent 25 degrees is equals to 25.7 meter. The total height is 40 meter base plus 25.7 meter top portion. Now, the answer is 65.7 meters. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.